Have you seen other creators on TikTok using the new Q&A feature and wondered how to get it yourself? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get and use TikTok's Q&A feature. Now let's get started. To get the Q&A feature, you'll first need to switch your account to a creator account if you haven't done so already. To do this, go to your TikTok profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Manage Account. Tap Switch to Pro Account. Now choose Creator. Then choose a category for your creator account. Indicate your gender identity or select Prefer Not to Say. Then you're all set with your creator account. Go back to your settings and select Creator Tools. Then tap Q&A. Select Turn on Q&A. Once you've set that up, your followers can easily ask you questions by tapping the Q&A button on your TikTok profile. When you receive a question, it will appear in the Q&A section of your profile. Tap Answer to post a video response to their question. You'll be able to record your TikTok as normal, with the question the user asked appearing as a sticker over your video. When editing your video, you'll be able to move the sticker around and resize it as you see fit. The person who asked the question will automatically be tagged in your caption. Plus, after you post it, the video will be visible both on your main TikTok page and in the Q&A section beneath the question you are answering. This way, if someone else is curious to know the answer to a question that's already been asked and answered, they can easily find your response there. That's all it takes to get and use TikTok's Creator Q&A feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.